Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's been making waves in the global arena, the BRICS nations. Comprising Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, the BRICS group has been steadily gaining prominence and is set to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of the world economy. Join us as we explore why the BRICS nations are poised to bring about significant changes on the global stage. From their economic prowess to their geopolitical influence and innovative advancements, there's a lot to unpack. So, without further ado, let's delve into why the BRICS nations are on the cusp of transforming the world as we know it. Economic strength and potential. When it comes to economic might, the BRICS nations are undoubtedly a force to be reckoned with. Collectively, their GDP constitutes a substantial portion of the global economy. With India and China leading the pack as two of the world's most populous countries, the sheer scale of their consumer markets and growing middle classes is staggering. In this section, we'll analyze the rise of BRICS economies and their role in redefining the global economic landscape. We'll also take a closer look at the economic cooperation and trade within the BRICS group, showcasing how their combined economic strength is a major driver of their influence. Geopolitical influence. In a world that has historically been dominated by Western powers, the emergence of the BRICS nations has introduced a significant geopolitical shift. These nations are not only economic powerhouses but are also collectively working to balance the global order. In this part, we'll explore how the BRICS group is challenging the traditional dynamics of global influence. We'll delve into their diplomatic efforts, their collaborations on political issues, and their potential to reshape global governance structures. From counterbalancing Western dominance to advocating for multipolarity, the BRICS nations are making their mark on the geopolitical stage. Infrastructure development and connectivity. The BRICS nations aren't just focusing on economics and politics, they're also investing heavily in infrastructure and connectivity. From China's ambitious Belt and Road Initiative to the establishment of the BRICS New Development Bank, these countries are taking significant strides to enhance trade, investment, and development. In this section, we'll discuss how these infrastructure projects are fostering regional and global connectivity. We'll examine the impact of improved transportation networks on trade and economic growth, and we'll also consider the potential challenges and benefits of these initiatives. Stay tuned for the next part of this video, where we'll continue our exploration of the BRICS phenomenon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to ensure you don't miss out on the rest of this insightful discussion. As we continue to unpack the various aspects of the BRICS nations, you'll gain a clearer understanding of why they're poised to be a transformative force in the world. Thanks for joining us, and let's dive into the world of the BRICS nations together. Technological innovation. Moving beyond their economic and geopolitical influence, the BRICS nations are making remarkable strides in the realm of technology and innovation. From China's advancements in artificial intelligence to India's booming tech industry, these countries are at the forefront of the digital revolution. In this section, we'll explore how the BRICS nations are driving technological innovation, fostering research and development, and contributing to the evolution of industries such as robotics, biotechnology, and space exploration. By collaborating on cutting-edge technologies, they are not only boosting their own economies but also reshaping the global technological landscape. Energy and resource dynamics. Energy and resources play a pivotal role in the global economy, and the BRICS nations possess substantial reserves in these areas. From Russia's vast energy resources to Brazil's agricultural potential, these countries are key players in global resource markets. In this section, we'll discuss how the BRICS nations are impacting global energy dynamics, shaping resource security, and contributing to sustainability efforts. We'll also explore their collaborative efforts in clean energy technologies and their contributions to mitigating climate change. Cultural and people-to-people exchange. Beyond economics and geopolitics, the BRICS nations are also rich in cultural diversity and heritage. In this section, we'll showcase the vibrant cultures of these countries and discuss the significance of people-to-people exchanges. Whether it's through educational programs, tourism initiatives, or cultural events, the BRICS nations are fostering mutual understanding and strengthening ties among their populations. By celebrating their diversity and promoting cross-cultural interactions, they are building a foundation for lasting cooperation. Challenges and future outlook. No journey is without its challenges, and the BRICS nations are no exception. In this section, we'll delve into the obstacles and hurdles these countries face in their quest to reshape the world order. From internal socio-economic issues to external geopolitical pressures, we'll analyze the factors that could potentially impact their trajectory. Additionally, we'll consider the future outlook for the BRICS nations, examining how their continued cooperation and adaptation to changing global dynamics will shape their role in the years to come. Unity and diversity. One of the unique aspects of the BRICS nations is their unity and diversity. Despite different cultural backgrounds, economic structures, and political ideologies, these countries come together with a shared vision for a more multipolar world. In this section, we'll celebrate the strength of this unity and discuss how it contributes to their collective influence. By leveraging their individual strengths and collaborating on common goals, the BRICS nations are showcasing the power of international cooperation. As we wrap up our exploration of the BRICS phenomenon, one thing becomes clear: the BRICS nations are indeed on the brink of changing the world. From their economic prowess and technological advancements to their geopolitical influence and cultural exchanges, these countries are collectively shaping the future of the global landscape. The BRICS group serves as a reminder that the world is evolving and traditional power dynamics are undergoing transformation. As these nations continue to navigate challenges and seize opportunities, their impact on the world stage is undeniable. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into why the BRICS nations are set to play a transformative role in the years ahead. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content on global affairs. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of the BRICS nations.